Hey there, everybody. Thomas Wood with ValueCharts.com. It is Thursday, October 29th. We're going to take a look at 30-year bonds, and more specifically, a very nice short trade that a lot of traders in the trading room had today based on a setup that was talked about in yesterday's daily video, as well as sent out on StockTwits and Twitter this morning before we had the big move lower today. That was a bearish engulfing pattern on the daily price chart. Now, yesterday we actually triggered a bear flag on the dailies, which would have been your short entry. If you did not get in yesterday off of the bear flag, however, you had a bearish engulfing where we gapped up, and then went all the way down and closed below the body of the previous day. So we engulfed the entire body of the previous day. If you were trading the bearish engulfing, your entry is either on the break of the low of the body or on the open of the previous, or on the next bar, open the next bar. Either way would have worked out very well for you, as you can see, because bonds have proceeded to drop through the floor today. But all in all, a great trade. Nice job for those of you that took the short. Make sure you pay attention to what a candle, what a day does compared to the previous day, because this is one of the reasons we go through in the trading room first thing in the morning and we look at our setup and say, okay, what's it look like yesterday? What did yesterday's price bar do? Because a lot of times the candlestick patterns will tell you exactly where the market's going to be heading and give you a directional bias for your intraday trades. So in this case, we had a bearish directional bias, so we were only taking short trades today in bonds and no longs, which worked out really well. For those of you that want this type of signal, I talk about these types of setups a lot of times on Twitter and StockTwits, so make sure you're following me there. It's at Trades with Tom on both Twitter and on StockTwits. That's all I have for you for today. Again, great job to everybody that took the trade. It worked out really well. Next target's going to be the trend line down here for support at about 55.5 or so. So that's it for today. And until next time, happy trading.